Good morning. So many here today, and outside in the booths and exhibition, and also in the partnering meetings. That is splendid. And a warm welcome to you all and to the opening of the 13th Park Annual by Sahlgrenska Science Park. I see a lot of familiar faces in here, but for those that I haven't met, my name is Lotta Gummeson and I'm the CEO for Sahlgrenska Science Park. And together with my colleagues around here, we are responsible to bring our new role into action. Oh, silence. Our new role is given by us, by our owners, from a broad spectrum of owners in the public sector. It's healthcare with regional Västra Götaland, business region Gothenburg, Mölndal Stad, city of Mölndal, and the University of Gothenburg and Chalmers. This is quite unique. I haven't met another organization that has this broad setup. So if you know someone, so please let me know. But we are given this mission to strengthening the competitiveness of the life science industry with a focus of West Sweden. And our owners want us to do this in a closer collaboration with academia, healthcare, and the industry. And also, they want us to focus more, I don't know here, so to focus of establishment of not only new startups, but also to develop established business. And it is truly a brand new world for life science. Patients become consumers. The challenges that we face with healthcare costs are tremendous and is highly prioritized by our politicians. It was actually in this year's election, just a couple of weeks ago, this was the #1 issue for us Swedes. So what are we going to do about this? Well, we see totally new players coming into this field. Amazon, they claim they're going to be the world-leading healthcare provider in the future. Amazon, they started out selling books. Yeah? So how are we going to cope with that? This is a traditional industry. We have regulations, we are doing things, it takes a long time. Yeah? So this calls for new kind of actions. And this transformation that we are going through, we can see this as big as going for self-driving cars with autonomous cars. This is as big, if not even bigger, transformation. And that is why I'm so happy to be in this hotbed for those new solutions. In this region, we have a big cluster around ICT and communication technology that is really a basis of tomorrow's, the future medicine and healthcare. The life science industry, we have it here as well. A lot of you guys come from there. And the mobility with autonomous driving and the knowledge and competence around this sector is also very interesting, together with the knowledge institutions that are of world rank here. Running a science park with 100% focus of life science, we can now see an increase in the interest and the deal flow coming from those guys, coming from people from outside healthcare. They can see the problems and they can also see that they have the new solutions. So on our neutral independent platform, we are gathering those on our collaboration arena, as we call it. And just to get a grasp of it, about 200 companies are now collaborating with us, through us, in different projects. And our aim is, of course, that those companies will grow and take their business further out in the world, because as we know, life science is global, and the market is not here. It's only 1% to 2% of the total market. So if we're going to get the investors and to get the growing business here, we have to think global. And that is also why we last year founded the Entrepreneurship Award together with Nobel Prize winner Arvid Carlsson, who is not longer with us. But he was really inspired by this, and so this award, we will announce it later this afternoon. And I have a great picture. Yeah, this was taken last year, and together with you, we're going to make this happen, right? And I have this picture here from last year. I think it's so cute. I have to show it, yeah, to pay some respect to Arvid. And this prize is not about the technique or so, or research. It's about the ability to take this out in the world and to put Swedish life science on the global map. And going backwards, what we have done, this is the 3rd year. We now have updated what we can do and accomplish here in this region from our perspective. And we don't claim that this is 100% everything what we do, but from our perspective that we see the interest from new businesses coming in here, they are asking for this. So this you can order out in our booth, and we call it the power of co-action from our part of Sweden. Yeah? Yeah, this is going to be a little bit later, yeah. Great. This event is for you. Last year, we always finish with this question: what do you want for next year's event? This is what you wanted. So, this is what you're going to get today. We have 3 sessions today. The first one, we're talking about the vision and the future of life science from a national point of view and from a regional point of view, and with from different perspectives. The second session will talk about companies scaling up their business and going international. And that part will be moderated by Jamie Smith. Where are you? There you are, yeah, from the BioVenture Hub at AstraZeneca. We collaborate a lot. And then the third and last session will be around artificial intelligence and new technologies coming into this area. And it will be moderated by Jennifer Grönqvist. Are you here? Good, there you are. And she is a colleague of mine at Sahlgrenska Science Park and responsible for digital health and a business advisor within this field. And last but not least then, we will know and announce the Arvid Carlsson Award. So please stay tuned. And then I promise you lots of fun in the end. Cross my fingers here that everything will work out. So stay with us. Okay. Also what we asked last year was, we had the theme last year around implementation into the healthcare. How is that going to be possible? And what is needed in order to make innovations within this field come alive? You answered courage, leadership, and willingness. And I don't know, but maybe someone listened to us up in Stockholm because the government, or should I say the late government, something, they now started a national office for life science and looking ahead at a new strategy for this. And so that's why I'm so happy. No, sorry. Before we go on to this, yeah? We're going to, of course, ask you a lot of things today. So we're going to use this Mentimeter, yeah? And just to see if you are ready, since Sweden is one of the most smartphone-friendly countries, so please bring up your smartphone, menti.com. And the code you can see up there in the left corner, the right corner. And are you ready? Great. It seems like that. And then we have the next question. Do I push it? Good. The next question. What part of the ecosystem are you from? And if you think that, well, I'm in two. Well, push that one that maybe your passion is within. Okay. Interesting. A good reminder to us all. Interesting. I think we're at least, well, the interest for this event is just increasing every year. So actually we're a little bit over 500 people here today, but a lot of people are here just to mingle outside, and that's fine. Let's see how many answers here. While you're doing that, a lot of industry, entrepreneurs, academia, healthcare. I think it's a good match. Like some investors though, don't we? Yeah? Others, maybe you are there, you're too shy. While you're doing this, this is an event where we should meet new people. And I learned something when I was at GoCo the other day. Almost everyone has LinkedIn, yeah? It's like a Facebook for the work, yeah? And if you go in there, and if you ask for a new friend, if you take that one, on the bottom you seek for new friends, and you can see hitta I närheten. I didn't find, if you push that, you then agree to connect with others in the room. I thought that was pretty smart, wasn't it? And all the GDPR and everything is fine with this. So that's actually the easier thing. Oh, I see, I know a lot of people here already. A lot of new ones. That's great. So we learn something new every day. Connect with each other, use this event for that. Okay. A lot of industry, good. We need you here. Entrepreneurs, we need you. Academia, healthcare, innovation system, and others. A warm welcome. And now, den skulle jag inte ha nu. So we're going back to present, because you thought leadership, courage, and willingness was important. So the new Life Science Office is focusing on that. So I think the government has taken their part of the role, and I'm very happy then to announce our next speaker. You will change that? Jenny Nordborg, responsible, the director. Please come here. Director.